Hello everyone, so we are here making this video to show you the performance of the Diamond SG-700 that I acquired. So I have just discovered about the capability and performance of that antenna. So the QYTKT8900D guys is capable in transmitting from 136 megahertz, as you can see on the screen, and up to 174 megahertz frequency. Okay, so that is the range of the QYTKT8900D to transmit, but you need the antenna that ranges from 136 megahertz to 174 megahertz. And I just discovered that with this type of Diamond SG-7900 with the antenna is marked by a laser printing with the CQ hologram sticker. So let's try to transmit starting from 136 megahertz, and this is what I got. So as you can see on the left, using the Surecom SW102, the SWR reading is 1.44 and the return loss is 0.4 watts. So this was the first test that I thought that it is only on this frequency, but I was amazed when I found out that you can actually transmit from 136 to 174 megahertz. So I'll show you this, guys. Okay, so you can see here the frequency is 136, and you are going to see here also from the Surecom SW102 the frequency that I'm using. So let's go to 137 megahertz. So if I'm going to transmit in low power, so I'm getting a better, more SWR reading. So 137 megahertz here and 137 megahertz on the Surecom SW102. Let's try on 138 megahertz. Okay, so getting a better SWR, right? Let's go to 139. So it's one flat. Let's go to 140, guys. Still one flat. Let's go to 1430. Still getting one flat. Let's go to amateur frequency. 144. Still one flat. Let's go to 145. Okay, 145, still one flat. Let's go to 146. Still one flat. Let's go to 147. So there's a difference already, but still one flat. 148. Still one flat. Let's go to 149. So there's already a difference there. So let's go to 150. Okay, so this is the maximum range of the antenna. But wait, there's more. As you can see, guys, 150 is like this is already the limit of the antenna. But see what happens if I'm going to 155 megahertz. Okay, so I did not press that long because I don't want that 1 watt. Okay, so there's a reading there. It's 1.6 watt. I don't want that to return to the radio. Oops. Sorry for that. So I don't want that 1 watt it's going to be return that power loss to the radio. So as you can see, at 155 megahertz, the SWR is very bad. Okay, so let's go to 160 and let's see what happens for the SWR. Still bad because the return loss is still 1 watt. Okay, but check this, guys. 170 megahertz. See, it's 1.1 and the return loss is 0.023. So let's check it out until 174. 174. So 174 is already bad. So as you can see here, guys, on the VHF mode, you can transmit from 136 megahertz up to 150 megahertz, but leaving behind the 151 megahertz up to, I think, 160 megahertz. Let's try at 160. Okay, so bad SWR, so let's go to 165. Okay, so that means you can transmit from 136 megahertz up to 170. For a while, let me check that again just to double check. Okay, not good. 172. Alright, so this is it. So the Diamond SG-7900 that I had, together with the QYT-KT-8900D, you can actually transmit from 136 megahertz up to 172 megahertz, leaving the frequency starting from 155 to 165. So you cannot transmit on that frequency, but the rest of the frequency you can transmit for as low as 136 megahertz. So how about UHF? I also tried with UHF. So you can actually transmit starting from 420, okay, up to 440. Okay, so see, 440, or let's say 445. Yeah, until 445. So if we are going to 410 megahertz, see, the frequency is already bad. Okay, so it's safe to transmit on the VHF from 136 up to 150, and then 165 to 172 megahertz. So that is the safest frequency to transmit using this Diamond SG-7900 antenna. Take note, this antenna is not the original, came from Japan. This is came from China, but this is actually a franchise from Diamond Japan. and it has a weight of less than 600 kilograms, which is declared by the Japanese manufacturer, which is supposed to be around 600 grams. And the length of this antenna is 1 centimeter difference longer compared with the original Diamond SG-7900. So my conclusion with this antenna is very, very good, because you can use it whether commercial frequency, whether the VHF or UHF. You can use it commercially, you can use it um, sa amateur frequency. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy watching it. So thank you very much.